In this video, I'm going to continue working on this activity, Project 8.1 Button Maker. I'm going to work on this part, the base plate. It's on page 13. I'm going to model this part and create this drawing. I'm going to start out by creating a new part. And a new sketch on the XY plane. Choose your centered rectangle. Select the origin and enter 11, tab, 4, tab, enter. I'm going to turn on construction geometry. I'm going to select project. I'm going to open up my origins folder and project my YZ plane and my XZ plane. I'm going to turn off construction. I'm going to choose my point tool and place one approximately here, one here, and one at the origin. Select my dimension tool, dimension these points. Make this point 438. And make this 1.5. I'm going to select my mirror tool. And I'm going to select this point. Select my mirror plane. Select this mirror plane. Select apply. And done. Finish your sketch. Choose extrude. Set the distance to 1/2 inch, 0.5. Go in the reverse direction. I want to keep my sketch on the front and select OK. Open up the folder for the extrusion you just created and find your sketch and right mouse button over the sketch and turn on the visibility. Select this point. Hold your shift key and select this point. Select your hole tool. Select countersunk. Set distance to through all. The diameter should be 1/4 inch. And the width of the countersink should be 1/2 inch. And the angle is 82 degrees. And select OK. Select this point. Hold the shift key down and select the point at the origin. Select your hole tool. Set the diameter to 0.313. Make it a through hole, no countersink, through all. And select OK. Hover over the sketch that you've been using, right mouse button, and turn off the visibility of the sketch. Turn around to the back of the plate and create a new sketch on that surface. Turn on construction. Project geometry. Project that face. And project the YZ and the XZ planes. turn off construction, select point, place the point approximately here. Do not let it line up with this hole. Place it approximately out here. Choose dimension, and dimension from here to here, and that's 0.5. And from this edge to the hole, to the point, is also 0.5. Select your mirror tool and draw a window around the point. Select it. Choose your mirror plane, this plane here. Hit apply and done. Choose mirror again and choose this point and then shift and this point. Choose your mirror line, select this line, select apply and done. Finish your sketch. Select your hole tool. This hole is threaded. It does not go through all. It goes to a distance. The thread is scroll up to the top and find number 8. It's an 832. And the depth is 0.275. Select OK. Choose your fillet tool. Change the radius to 0.5. Select these 4 edges. Select OK. Select your eye properties. Go to Summary and change the title to 16 base plate. Go to Physical and change the material to aluminum 6061. Select OK. Save your part. Call it 16 base plate. Create a new drawing. Select your base view. Change the scale to 1:1. Place a side view and a top view and an ISO view. Make sure that hidden line is on, that it's slightly shaded blue. Select OK. Select your ISO view. Turn on shaded and change the scale to 0.75. Select OK. Go to Annotate. Select your center mark tool. Select the outer circles. Select your centerline bisector. Point to the midpoints of these lines. Go to your dimension tool Choose your hole and thread tool. Go back to your part, and I'm going to add chamfers. I didn't want to do it before the dimensioning command because the chamfers just make dimensioning difficult. But choose your chamfer tool, and the chamfer is 0.031. And select these two edges. Select OK, and save your part. Choose your dimensioned chamfer tool. Select this edge and then this edge. Select dimension and dimension the thickness of the plate. Right mouse button cancel. Select this dimension and position my cursor at the front of the line and type in for capital X space to designate that this dimension occurs 4 times on the drawing. Select this dimension and do the same. Position your cursor at the front of the line and type in 2 capital X space. Select OK. Select this dimension. This occurs 4 times. This occurs 2 times. This occurs 2 times. This radius occurs 4 times. Let's select the chamfer note. And at the end, type in space, TYP for typical. Select this hole dimension. And this hole occurs on the far side. So we're going to enter space, far side. Matter of fact, put it on a second line, hit carriage return. And this hole also occurs 4 times, 4 capital X space. Also, because it's on the far side, the depth did not show, so we're going to select insert the depth symbol. That is this symbol here. And then we're going to insert the depth parameter. Select it here. And select OK. And your note should look like this. Go to iProperties and Summary and change the title. Change the title to 16 base plate. Change the author to your name. Before we leave this project, there's one thing I forgot to do. Go back to your part and go back to your iProperties here. Go to Project and change the part number from 16 base plate, change it to 16, and change the description to base plate, and select OK. Go to your drawing. The part number should be here, item 16. Save your drawing. Go to File, Export to PDF, save it in your Documents folder, and submit your PDF drawing to Project Lead the Way to complete your assignment.